For the best in music, arts, and entertainment, venture to the outside. ITO Radio America.
Well, I noticed a lot of new faces this evening, and I'm so glad you all came. And I want you to know that this is a safe place to share. So if you want to tell us your story, there'll be no judgment.
Hi, my name's Charlie, and as you know, I'm addicted to cars. Today I just wanted to check in with Papa. He's been working on the Lexus ES300 that we have for the last couple of days. He's taken some, I think, 220 and some 800 grit sandpaper, sanded down the bumper. The back bumper's really where most of the problems were. So he's been working pretty much exclusively on that. He sanded it down over the last couple of days. He's been working on it. And then we ordered some paint from TouchUp Direct is basically where we go. So this is kind of partly a review on them. I think they're located here in Southern California. So it's really fast for us to get it, but regardless, no matter where you are, I know they at least ship it out very quickly. The color's always been very good for us, and we'll compare on this ES project. Pricing is pretty comparable. I don't know that they're cheap or expensive necessarily. I think it's comparable to everybody else, but we've always been really happy with them. We bought two colors this time, one to go with the top color and then the bottom color, the trim, and we bought some clear coat from them. So that's what we're working on today. We'll kind of see how it turns out and see how well the colors match. I think first he's wiping down all the dust and dirt with some alcohol just to make sure everything's ready for primer. This is the primer that he bought. Yeah, so that's that. He did a pretty good job. Lots of things that somebody who's a professional painter or auto body person obviously knows that doing this stuff out in the elements isn't great. We don't have room to do it in our garage. We don't really want to invest in a tent, at least not at this time. But all those things would be helpful. Luckily, it wasn't really windy today until later in the day. It got a little bit windy. But, you know, overall it looks pretty good. He does a good job. He takes his time. He's patient. And it certainly looks a lot better than it did with all the scuffs and scratches and chips. So pretty happy with it. Hopefully this helps you guys out. It's not really a how-to or a step-by-step, but you can see the product that we're using works pretty well. And you can see that, man, I mean, you can do a lot of this stuff yourself. Maybe you won't get professional results right away. Maybe after practicing, maybe after investing in more tools or equipment, you can get better and better. It's certainly fun to experience how to go through this process. Lots more to come with the Lexus and other projects and other people's projects I want to introduce you to. So like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next one.